guys, it's Gabby D here, and today we're going to be making cheesecake without using the stove. So here's the ingredients you'll need. You'll need a bowl. You'll need a bowl for your crust and another bowl for your crust. So what you need is sugar and graham crackers and butter. Okay, that's hot on the bottom, so do not. And then you gotta pour the butter. So I do it. Okay, I'm gonna pour the butter in. Ooh. Just pour the. Okay, don't judge me. I'm not a chef. Okay, now this. All right, time. Spoon. Time to mix. Mixy, smixy, smix.
Careful not to be too crazy. Just mix.
Mixy, mixy, mixy. Okay. It looks like poop. Okay, mix, 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 mix. This is for the crust, okay?
But you're going to help you with this crust, right?
Okay, Mommy.
So first you're going to tell them how to do the filling.
Okay, so you'll need milk.
And then pour
this in.
And then what?
And then pour this stuff in it. What is the stuff called? I don't know.
It's cheesecake filling mix.
Cheesecake filling. And you need, so yeah. Should I want to pour it. Can I pour it?
No, not yet. Make your crust. Make your crust.
Okay. My mom's probably going to do, okay. Okay, I'm probably now going to put it in. Okay, just jump the whole thing, okay? First, I'm going to get the salty spoon. Okay. Now, jump. Woo! Oh. There's more. Okay, I need to get the spoon and scrape it because there's so much more in here. Okay? Okay, that should be good. Here, I'm going to test it.
Flatten the crust in the pie pan.
Okay. Alright.
On the edge, flatten it all down.
Alright, flattening the crust so we can flat it. Good. Perfect flatting. Okay.
Up on the sides.
Okay, up on the sides. So, yeah. Alright, so, okay, now flat it.
Up on the sides.
Okay, up on the sides.
Don't do that. Push it. There you go. Push it all around.
Don't judge me, I'm not a chef, okay? Always sit there, Gab.
Push with this.
Okay, my mom's brought me something better.
Mash it down in there good. Mash
I'm mashing it.
it. Don't hit it. Mash it.
Uh-oh. I messed up my
Flatten it out really good.
Okay, this is actually doing awesome. Awesome. Come on. What do you think of my dough? I got pizza right on here.
Up on the sides with your
Okay,
spoon. Take your spoon and go up on the
okay.
sides.
I'm gonna put that down because that's actually really dangerous. It's on the side. Up on the sides.
With the back of your spoon. Put it with the back of your spoon. There you go. With the back. Put it on the sides with the back.
Okay, my mom's gonna show me. Okay.
Let me put some on the sides.
I sound like a fire alarm. Can I check it?
You sound like a mouse.
I do. Alright. Now my mom's almost done. I can keep on talking to you guys. I have over 500 views. I love you all. Thank you so much. Alright. So, subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Okay? Also, I'll have a nugget just like this.
Okay, I'll get you some milk.
Give me a nugget.
Alright.
Some cold milk.
Okay, my mom's going to give me some cold milk so I can do my batter. And for the filling in this bowl. And then let me lick the spoon. want some? Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Here. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Alright. Now that my mom's starting to give me some milk. Okay, it looks like she's already done. Can I pour? Thank you for my milk. Okay, let's go ahead and easy pour it in. Little papakita, do it! Slap it on the butt. Okay, now time for this. Okay, pour it. That looks gross.
Yeah, it does. What is that?
Oh, there's smoke everywhere. Time for the blender. Okay, so we gotta keep it in here. I am so sorry, guys. But first, let's check this out real quick, how good disgusting this looks. Okay, let's start mixing. I'm a cowboy! I'm a cowboy!
After you get done making the pour this in, you clean it out, and then you refrigerate. Put it in the refrigerator, okay?
Ow, my arm, guys. This is how you cannot believe how hard my arm was. Okay. Yummy.
Hey guys, can I have a taste?
Sure, dip your finger in. I'm getting. Oh my goodness. Okay, that can be Mackey's. Can I? Thank you.
Okay, pour it in you. Gabby, gotta keep talking.
Okay. There you go. Alright, now let's.
I got one more dip.
Okay, fine.
I'm gonna make it
Okay,
so
please.
Okay, nice.
Alright. Then I'm gonna put this
What did I
in
taste?
here.
You might have it's nice.
Okay, I might need to get my spoon out. Mr. Spoony is gonna help me. Mr. Spoony, never fail me now. Don't fail me now because I already got all the batter in.
You have to spread it out. Spread
Okay.
it all around.
Now I'm gonna smooth it out. Oh my god. There's so much! Guys, I don't know if you can see this, but there is
Give me the bowl.
too much. Okay. Now I want it.
Gabby.
Oh no, there's some on the table. I'll get that.
No.
Okay.
How'd you pour it? There you go. Spread it all around. And that's how you have to refrigerate it for a couple
Alright,
hours.
I gotta refrigerate it for a couple hours.
And then it's gonna be bomb.
And it's gonna be the bomb. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead and smooth this out.
Hey, Gab.
Smooth.
Nice.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get a little bit I'm gonna actually do one of those fancy people do. Oh boy, that looks like a pumpkin pie.
Mason, I hope you're not sticking your finger in the cheesecake. Just a bowl. Just a bowl. Keep going, Dad.
Okay. Some more. All around.
Just spread it out really well on top where it's even.
Wow. I see strawberries in there.
You could put anything you wanted in the filling. Okay.
Yeah.
You could put strawberries or anything you wanted in the filling.
All right.
Tell your friends you could put anything you want in the filling.
You can put anything you want in the filling, but it looks like there's already strawberries in mine.
There's not.
So yeah. So once you refrigerate this, it'll be the bomb.
Okay, now you need to sign off pretty quick.
Like and subscribe if you like my content. Bye.